Have you ever worried about you or the car you're driving being sucked into a sinkhole? How's it going? Justin here, back with another foundation repair tip of the day. Yesterday we introduced sinkholes and their rise in occurrences out here in Southern California. Now we're going to be talking about what causes these bad boys. So two types of sinkholes exist. One forms when the roof of a cave collapses and exposes an underground cavern. The second type forms when water dissolves the rock underneath the soil and creates an underground chasm. Without rock to support it, the soil layer collapses and creates a hole on the surface. With that being said, sinkholes have both natural and human causes. Naturally, they often occur in areas affected by erosion or with soluble bedrock. For example, the Salton Sea, which is just right down the road from many of us, is plagued by sinkholes due to its high concentrations of salt below the soil's surface. Sinkholes are common where the rock below land surface is limestone or other carbonate rock, salt beds, or other soluble rocks like gypsum that can be dissolved naturally by circulating water. As the rock dissolves, spaces and caverns develop underground. These sinkholes can be dramatic because the surface land usually stays intact until there isn't enough support. Then, a sudden collapse of the land surface can occur. I'm getting a little winded here, so tomorrow I'll be back to discuss man-made caused sinkholes.